Good afternoon. This is Brian Splitt with Allendale here in McHenry, Illinois, and today is Friday, August 24th, and I'm here for your afternoon update. Finished the week off here on a little bit of a mixed note. We did have December corn last trade down about 5.5. We haven't had the settlement prices released yet, but last trade about 809 1/4. On a DC13 contract, down about 3/4 of a penny at 646 1/2. Also lower was the wheat market. December Chicago down about 6 1/4 at 888 1/2 last trade. July 13 down a penny at 851 1/4. But the soy complex was firm for the session. Soybeans did finish higher. November up 17 1/2 on the last trade at 1732 1/2. And November 13 soybeans up a dime at 1325 3/4. And really the week has been dominated by the crop tour that we had this week. People out in the field finally trying to get a concrete sense of where our national yield may end up when all is said and done. And those results were just released a few minutes ago, and corn yield was put at 120.25, making a 14.478 billion bushel crop. The soybean yield was estimated at 34.8 bushels an acre, giving it a 2.6 billion bushel crop. We did make the highs for the week for corn very early on Tuesday. Had new highs for the week made as late as Wednesday night for soybeans. And late in the week, we did start to see a little bit of profit taking develop from the early excitement. Again, a lot of bullish rhetoric early in the week as scouts were out in fields in South Dakota looking at some very hurt crops. But over the course of the week, we did start to find some good corn out there and some better production potential, and definitely had a little bit of a buy the rumors, sell the fact reaction as the week wore on. With the release of these yields, you would have to think that some of the bullish rhetoric may have suggested that at the end of the day, yields would have been a little bit lower than what we actually received here this afternoon. So it's hard to say whether or not the trade's going to be all that excited about these numbers come Sunday night. Also keep in mind that the past couple of years we have had the markets make some highs either right after or shortly after the crop tour has been finished. So just keep that in mind. Right now corn is stuck in the middle of a range right around 810. 790 has been some good support recently. 840, 850 has been some good resistance. Soybeans are at the upper end. 1744 3/4 is the November bean contract high. We're right around 1730. And last week we had a lot of trade early in the week down around $16 a bushel, and a lot of congestion around 1650. So just some price points to be aware of here short term. My day dominated not by the crop tour but by Allendale's yield survey. We've been doing it all week. We will continue to do it until next Friday. So if you haven't talked to one of the brokers here at Allendale or gone online to do that, we ask that you do that before next Friday. You can do that online at www.allendale-inc.com, or you can call us here at the office at 1-800-2-MARKET. That's 1-800-262-7538. And I do wish you good luck trading next week. Thank you.